Hi. In this video, I will show you how to scrape Google Maps for targeted leads using my Google Maps scraper. So, what's this project all about? Basically, it's a Python-based scraper that uses Playwright to get public information from Google Maps. It gets the business name, address, phone number, and the business's website. Now the fun part. After getting the data from Google Maps, it proceeds to visit each business's website to get their emails and social media profiles. The data collected is saved as a CSV and a JSON file. Cool, right? Let's dive into the details. Open your terminal to create or navigate to your working directory. Then, open your code editor. I prefer VS Code. Next is to activate a virtual environment. Then, install Playwright and its dependencies. Also, install pandas. Now let's code our scraper. First, I will create a function that reads selectors from a JSON file. Why does this matter? Google Maps updates their site often, so instead of tweaking the code every time, I just update the xpaths in the JSON file. Super convenient. Then I create a business and business list data class. Think of this as the template for all the data we collect, like names, emails, phone numbers, basically everything. It keeps everything clean and organized so we can save the data as JSON and CSV. Now, let's talk about the most crucial parts of the project. Sometimes Google might show a cookies pop-up, especially when using a VPN. This can stop the scraper from running smoothly. To handle this, I added an accept cookies function. This ensures that the scraper can close or accept the pop-up automatically and keep things moving. Once the pop-up is handled, the scraper searches for the term I provide. It then gathers all the listings from the results and clicks on each one to extract the data we're looking for. This approach makes the scraping process seamless and efficient without interruptions. Grab a coffee as I finish up with the code. I appreciate you for liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe. the code is working as I want it. For now, it scrapes the name, address, website URL, and phone number. In the next video, I will add a functionality where it visits each business's website to get their emails and social media profiles. Thank you for watching.